Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Hyderabad Liberation Day. The central government declared 17th September the day on which the princely state of Hyderabad merged into the Indian Union in 1948 as Hyderabad Liberation Day. Hyderabad did not get independence for 13 months since India's independence on 15th August 1947 and was under Nizam's rule. The region got liberated from Nizam's rule on 17th September 1948 after police action, namely Operation Polo. In order to remember the martyrs who liberated Hyderabad and to infuse the flame of patriotism in the minds of the youth, the Government of India has decided to celebrate 17th September every year as Hyderabad Liberation Day. There was demand from the people of the region that 17th September be celebrated as Hyderabad Liberation Day. On 17th September 1948, the then Hyderabad state, which was under the rule of the Nizams, was annexed into the Union of India following military action initiated by the then Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now let's talk about Operation Polo. This year marks the 76th anniversary of Operation Polo, the military action launched by the Indian Army on September 13, 1948 to integrate the princely state of Hyderabad. Situated in the Deccan, Hyderabad was one of the most populous and richest states and had 17 districts including Aurangabad, now in Maharashtra, and Gulbarga, now in Karnataka. There was no common border with Pakistan, but the Nizam of Hyderabad state, Sir Usman Ali Shah, had every intention to have fractional relations with that country. The Nizam signed a standstill agreement with India in November 1947. The agreement was signed for a period of 1 year during which the Indian government would not exercise any authority over Hyderabad. The excess of the Razakars on the predominantly Hindu population of the state, the overtures being made to Pakistan and the intention to establish an independent country in the heart of India were the reasons why the Indian government decided to act against Hyderabad. The Nizam of Hyderabad announced a ceasefire on 17th September. On 18th September, Major General Chaudhary entered Hyderabad city with his forces and Major General Il Edroos of Hyderabad surrendered to him. Major General Chaudhary was later appointed the military governor of Hyderabad. Havildar Bachitar Singh of 2 Sikh was awarded the first Ashoka Chakra of independent India posthumously for his role in Operation Polo. He laid down his life on 13th September 1948 while advancing on Naldurg, which is now in Maharashtra but at the time was part of Hyderabad state. Now it's time for the practice question. Who led the Indian forces during Operation Polo? Major General S.A. Il Idroos, Mir Laik Ali, Major General Jayanto Nath Chaudhary, Havildar Bachitar Singh. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.